are going to love the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.